Hi. In this video, we will quickly overview BioGuard Mineral Springs Beginnings. BioGuard Mineral Springs Beginnings is the first step in the BioGuard Mineral Springs System. Beginnings creates a total mineral bathing environment and is a natural way to automatically sanitize pool water. The Mineral Springs System utilizes easy-to-apply minerals and a chlorine generator to produce a chlorine sanitizer. It takes only 5 minutes a week to maintain. In fact, once you've begun the system, you only have to add the Renewal product once a week. The Mineral Springs system is ideal for pools of any size or surface, pools equipped with any chlorine generator, frequent travelers or vacation takers, and those looking for the luxuries of a mineral pool. Product benefits. Foundation of Mineral Springs line. Uses SilkGuard and SunShield technology. Prevents scale from forming. Makes water soft and gentle. Usage directions. Backwash and clean filter. Balance your pool water and adjust pH between 7.4 or 7.6. Add 1 bag of this product per 1,000 gallons of water. Determine number of bags needed. Pool water volume / 1,000 equals number of bags. Apply evenly at deep end of pool with pump operating. Brush any undissolved product from the bottom of the pool. Temporary clouding may occur. Additional information: if you add algaseed, keep in mind that some algaseed contains copper, which can actually make a pool cloudy. If the cloudiness persists 24 hours after shocking, then it's possible that you used a poor quality chlorine shock. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.